Okay folks, we are now to the last nutrient addition. I'm sorry, the last sugar addition. I'm going to do a recap with you with my book here and go through what we've done so far. First, I dissolved 5 pounds of honey in 1.5 gallons of water. I let it cool overnight, and then I added it to the 5 gallons and it come up to 5.5 gallons. The specific gravity of that was 1.070, and I added the yeast. Then the specific gravity dropped down to 1.016. So then I added the peach addition, the liquid peach addition. Now, for the final addition, I've taken 2 pounds of dark sugar, brown sugar, dark brown sugar. I've dissolved it in 1 cup of water. I'm going to take an SG reading real quick before. I'm going to add it, I'm going to stir it in because it is sugar. I'm going to take another reading and record it so that I have somewhat of a good idea of what my final ABV alcohol is going to be. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the SG reading. Now this is already fermented to dryness because I've seen that there's no more activity in the airlock. So right now, I have a alcohol content, an SG of 0.996. Okay, that's my little dog. Now I'm going to add the brown sugar. It's pretty warm. It should not hurt anything with the yeast. This is 2 pounds dark brown sugar. Okay. There's that. I'm going to stir it in. Stirring the yeast up at the same time, but that's fine because this is going to be what gets me to my 12 to 14 ABV. Now I will have to take, once I get this stirred here in about a minute, I'm going to take another SG reading. I'm going to record this real quick. Keeping records is so important. I'm going to record that I had 0.996 SG and then 2 pound dark brown sugar addition. Okay, let's see what that brought that up to. Should be enough alcohol in solution that I don't really, as long as I hold this up here to where it's not going to touch the must, should not have to sanitize it with the Star San. We've probably got 10% ABV right now. Now that brought me back up to 1.010. Okay. Now, sealing it back up. Fermentation should start back up. And then, record that, 1.010. This will be the last, and then I can calculate the ABV. We'll let it set, maybe for a week. I'll rack it into one of my plastic carboys, and probably let it set for a month or two. Rack it into these bottles. This is some elderberry wine that I made. And then it'll age up until Thanksgiving, and then I'll try some.